So hi everybody. I want to say that, did you know your brain is a filmmaker, and just like a very good director, it knows exactly when to say cut. Imagine you're walking down the street, everything looks normal. Suddenly someone starts running towards you. I know, it's a crazy word out there. Your brain goes, whoa, it's a new scene. This is called event segmentation. Your brainwave of trying to understand what is actually going in the world by constantly gathering the information and shaping it by your past experiences. And when something unexpected happens, it just goes cut, update, and move on. But to study this, we are asking our participants kindly and gently to just come to our lab, just handing them some popcorn, and we are just asking them to watch a movie. You see, science is not that much boring after all. But while they are doing the task, they are hooked up to some kind of cap with a lot of wires that we can actually spy their brain waves. But no worries, we cannot read your mind. You can see these brain waves as the production crew of your inner movie. Each of them has their own role. Alpha band is the gatekeeper. It's just deciding what kind of information should be saved in your memory. Beta band is the one who is actually responsible for keeping the storyline and all the information. And Theta band is just a drama queen. Something unexpected happened, it goes cut. Together, they're like the production crew of the movie of your life to make it to an award-winning masterpiece. But was it always this production crew efficient? Not really, especially if you're a teenager, because the production crew of the teenager is maybe still under training. It's as if that they're sneaking out to just have some snacks rather than doing their actual job, especially the alpha, the gatekeeper. So that's why the reality for the adolescents and the teenagers just goes so slowly. But we wanted to also make a little bit mess with this production crew. We actually give them a little bit of medication, a little bit of dosage, and we gave them a booster Ritalin, so suddenly everything started to be more meaningful and cut from everywhere. It's like even the blinking of the squirrel is important, all of the major trees. But what was important for the director was also the previous experiences that was actually matters when it comes to the cut. So yes, Ritalin was boosting, but actually if you had a good backstory. So all in all this process helping us to understand more about attention and perception process, and hopefully we can find better diagnosis for disorders like attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, aka ADHD. By the end of the day, we are all just steering in our own inner low-budget indie movie. Thank you.